what I used to do in my learning time, how I became fluent in this language. Today I'm going to reveal everything, so please stay with me till the end. After that, you're going to learn everything that I had applied in my beginnings to become fluent in English. So friends, before I would like to introduce myself. So this is Chandan. I live in Bihar state and I live in a very rural place where you are barely having any person who speaks in their native language with the correct way. Okay. So, and if I talk about my qualification background, so I have done my entire study in Hindi medium background. So just think about those people who have done their entire study in Hindi medium background. It's very difficult to speak even single sentence in English, and you couldn't imagine to become fluent in English. So just think about me. I'm also how I become fluent in spite of completing my entire study in Hindi medium school. Today I'm going to reveal my secret, my all things what I did to get such a level of fluency in my speaking. All things I'm going to say today. So please stay with me. Firstly, what I used to do, I used to imagine a lot. Imaginations, I would say. It was quite weird to listen. Imagination, like I was also having me on the stage. It was my visualizations like I was on the stage. There I got the chance of motivating hundreds of people through my speech. Such kinds of imaginations I used to do at my beginnings. During imaginations, I used to have a lot of vocabularies. I always try to use entire words into my sentence. Okay. In that situations, I set myself in on the stage and giving my speech in that situations. Literally, I have to do a lot of efforts. Okay. I was emphasizing me a lot to giving my pure speech with the correction, with the correct, and how to sustain myself in such situations. I used to try a lot, so that was my attempt. Another way what I used to do, I made a friends in my locality, so I used to speak much more with them. I know initially I used to make a lot of mistakes because I was not correct with the grammar as well. In beginnings, every people have been doing the same mistakes, right? They often got stuck while creating sentence, and they often made many mistakes while creating a statement. So it's obvious things used to do a lot of mistakes, but even though I sustained my positive attitude because I knew if I gave up, I lost my journey, my dreams. So I kept moving on. I kept doing the same things because I know today I am making mistakes, but after a couple of months it must be correct by me. So no matter how, but I am not going to give up. Okay. So such kinds of decisions I took myself. That was my determination, you can say, towards my communication skill, towards this language. That's why that made me fluent in this language now. Another thing is what I used to do. I know learning vocabularies and remembering it's very difficult for everyone. So what I used to do, remember the words. I often categorize few topic relevant of my words. What I learned. Suppose today I have learned two vocabularies. So it's obvious things today you learn. Somehow you remember that one. But you are not going to utilize that vocabularies in your conversation because you didn't get any situations relevant. In that situation, I have categorized few relevant topic related words what I learned. And as I mentioned you before, like I had a friend whom I used to talk a lot. So I always sat beside them, putting this topic and start debating on. And this is the way I used to lie. I used to utilize such words into my conversation. And this is the way I used to utilize entire words what I used to learn. So that was my strategies. I did well. So these are the things I used to do to remember the words, to transforming my statement with the correct along with the grammars, right? So these are the strategies I used to apply because I knew like I'm coming from rural place, and being a rural place, being a villager, I would say it's very difficult to create an environment, right? So for just creating an environment, I used to do a lot of efforts myself. I know this time we are having multiple application, and this is the way I can get the people easily. But I think 2 year and 3 year back, The situation was different. In that situations, I was unable to find even application where I could find any person like me. So such kinds of situation was there. So I just utilized my brain and I just did it. So it's obvious things I got good result. Now you can see me. I'm very confident because of that reason. And yeah, I would say like if you really want to become good into this language, so you have to apply. It's obvious things. Some of them are not comfortable with these ideas. So you can apply at least any one of them so that you can get the result very easily. Because I'm the example, you can consider me. I'm an example for you. I got the good result and I'm sharing genuine strategies. My genuine experience, what I felt, I got good result, that's why I'm sharing with all of you. Damn sure after applying by you must get good result. So please just follow my steps because I want you to become fluent. And that's why I just trying to motivate you, trying to announcing many features, applications, my strategies, ideas. Because of my only I have the one purpose to just elevate all of you in this language. Because in this time this language is very prominent for the 99% people, right? So you can reach yourself in this language. You have to apply. All times comes to get feedback by others. In that situation we think people will make fun of me if I make mistakes. So such kinds of things you have to ignore it. Okay, don't give the space of thinking rubbish matters. Okay, just keep working on. By the passing of time you are going to correct automatically in every aspect, I would say. So just follow it. Thank you for listening me. See you then.